you have a problem where you're supposed to figure out where the error occurs. Eric transforms this equation, which is in vertex form, to standard form. So the first step is to go ahead and multiply out this perfect trinomial square. So let's recall the shortcut for that. So if I have x minus 2 squared, all you have to do, you square your first term, multiply your two terms together, double them, and square your last one. So we're squaring our first term, which will be x squared. Then I'm going to multiply x times negative 2, and then multiply that times 2, which is minus 4x. Your next step is you're going to square your last term, and that becomes plus 4. If worse comes to worse, remember you can always use FOIL. So this becomes his next step. And let's see if this is correct. It looks correct. All right, the next thing we need to do is to distribute this 2 to all terms into the parentheses. So let's see if this might be his error. We have y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 8 plus 5. So I took 2 times 1, which is 2, and then I brought my x squared down. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. I brought my x down. 2 times 4 is 8. And then I have my plus 5. So let's compare to what happens right up here. It looks like they are the same. So we can check this one off. Now my final step will be to combine my constants. And so my final answer will be y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 13. This is in standard form. Let's see what Eric got. He got 2x squared minus 8x plus 13. So he is correct.